practice. The Junior Kings play here, and they have a really great facility. It's really nice here, and yeah, it's cool to play at a really nice rink like this. LA Kings actually own most of the rinks in LA. They, over the years, have bought them and turned them into really nice rinks, redid the rinks, and put in new ice, and really made it look really nice looking. And the rink that I normally play at, Pickwick and Burbank, the LA Kings just bought that rink like a few years ago. And I used to play for the Junior Kings, like Bantam AA, and then I played against them for a while, especially 16 AAA. We competed against them a bunch when I played for the California Heat, 16 AAA, 16 AA, played against them a bunch. But really quick, I'm just filling in for a team. My buddy Keon, who plays with us on the Tropics in D1 in Pickwick, he asked me to come out and fill in for their goalie who can't make it. So I think I've filled in for this team one time before. It's actually really good hockey. I'm not sure which division this is. I think there's 4 different divisions. There's a silver and gold, gold being the highest. I think this might be silver or gold. The hockey's really good. I'll try and get some highlight reel saves. And yeah, it's a nicer rink. So it'll be fun. It'll be a good time. I'm looking forward to it.
Did you give the lowdown on the situation? Yeah, pretty much.
I'll be ready.
Have some fun. It's like deep. It's trying to move your body.
We just scored. It's 1-1, 13 minutes left in the first period. We just scored. It's 2-2, 6 minutes left in the first period.
I know, no, I'm going to hold him. Not exactly. Let him hold him.
I'm going to say something there. He doesn't. Yeah. I mean, I feel like I should have had those guys back door, but they were really like down low back door. And then that last goal, I could have sworn like the way he was winding up, he was gonna go high up, so I stood up. Then he just ripped it 5-hole, so I just messed up. We just scored. It's 4-3 with 4 minutes left in the second period. We just scored with like 6 seconds left in the second, and it's tied 4-4. The puck comes so slow to me. And then it hits like 3 different people, and it's like I can't read the puck, I can't read where it's going. We just scored, it's 5-4, 14 minutes left in the third period. We just scored, it's 6-4. 11 minutes and 30 seconds left in the third period. We just scored at 7-4 us. 10 minutes left in the third period. We just scored. It's 8-4. Fuck this team. One of their players like tried dodging the puck as he was coming in, but his skate went flying into my face. I told him to watch out, and he called me out on my GoPros. Like, what? We just scored. It's 4-9 with 4 minutes left in the period.
Thank you.
I make it look easy. Does anyone want to play like last 2 minutes or? Got it, caught it. We just scored with 10 seconds left. It's 10-4. Let's go. Guys. Good job, guys.